Welcome to STH 630 research method quiz number first. Question number 1, marks 1. Please choose one. We will discuss quiz number 1. The part of the action research spiral that differentiate this research methodology from other kinds of research is we are to differentiate looking at multiple sources of data, taking action based on results, thinking about or analyze data in more than one way, the kind of data that are collect. The correct answer this. Next question. We will see next question. In this question, individuals who engage in action research are most concerned with supporting the way things are being done, publishing results, providing a hypothesis, improvement. The correct answer is publishing results. Next question, question number 3. In question number 3 we will see research may differ along a series of dimensions. Which of the following may be applied to this statement? The level of manipulation used to elicit data collection. Second option, the data collection technique. Third option, the type of data collected. Fourth option, types, techniques and manipulation of data collection. The correct answer is second option. Next we will see in question number 4, which of the following statement best defines hypothesis? We will see most, best, hypothesis definition. Option first, a quantitative study, tentative prediction of the results of the research, a qualitative research design, the operational design of the study. The correct option of this question is second option. Next question, question number 5. We will see what asked in question number 5. What is the first step in the research process? We are to ask first step. Problem definition. Define broad problem area. Theoretical framework. Preliminary data collection. First step in research process is problem definition. Next, question number 6. When there is a need of generating new ideas for hypotheses or to interpret the results of some research. When there is a need of generating new ideas. for hypothesis are to interpret the results of some research. Which one is the best research design? Option First option is experiment, second option is surveys, third option is focus group discussion, fourth option communication analysis. The correct option of this question is three option. Question number 7, we will see which of the following is example of deception in business research. The obtaining of company material without permission, the researcher wearing a discuss during an observation, the researcher representing their research as being about a different topic, the researcher failing to ask permission to interview someone. Option of question number 7 is third option is correct. Now we see question number 8. Which of the following is least likely to occur as an ethical problem with electronic research? Privacy could be invaded. People are not likely to be able to stop once they have begun participating. Debriefing could be avoided. Informed consent cannot be completely monitored. The correct option of question number 8 is second option is. Next question number 9, and we see what asked. All of the following are unethical issues except invoicing irregularities, avoiding legal liabilities, misrepresenting results, seeking permissions for entry. Correct option of question number 9 is option 4. Next, we will see question number 10. Which of the following is the difference between measures and indicators? Measures are unambiguous quantities, whereas indicators are devised from common sense understandings. Indicators have a more direct relationship to the underlying concept than measures. Measures are intuitively devised and then applied as if they are direct, indirect indicators of a concept. Indicators are unambiguous quantities, whereas measures are subjective and value led. Correct option of question number 10 is second option. Okay.